These are the women's Gopune snow pants. They're not the skiing or big puffy snow pants variety. These are slimlined, as you can see, almost silhouette. They have belt loops, but they also have the elasticity here for adjustable sizing. The side pockets are not zip, but they do have zips on each leg. I'm sorry, actually, this is the Velcro one. And they're vented for expansion here. The pants are fleece lined. They're not overly thick. And just for like a thickness gauge, if you could see. But they are weatherproof in the sense that they are windproof. These pants are coated. So one difference between snow pants or the really thick kind and expensive types are the shell, the outer layer. And with more expensive pants, they'll be the seams will be lined and like a tape over them essentially. Whereas these seams are not lined; they are kind of exposed. So that makes them not fully waterproof. But in addition, the thickness is what determines how waterproof. Or some companies like this one will put a factory coating on there, and that coating can wash away over time. 2 back pockets, as you see. And so you want to avoid using laundry detergent. Just use a very mild detergent if you're going to use one at all, and either hand wash or machine wash with lukewarm water. They are windproof, as I said, and you can sit down on these for 20-30 minutes. You're not going to get water in, and you're not even going to feel the snow or the ice.